Why do we change legs with yes, no, and why do we not change legs with sympathy, antipathy? In a way, we work with archetypes. Archetypes cannot be applied, it's always like this, or it's always like this, because in an archetype, the opposite is in it too. So it's a simplification, but it works. You know, I'm working with an archetype, I'm addressing it, and then it can work. So I know that it's not that easy in everyday life where everything is mixed. Yeah? And in a way you can say the left side is the hard side. Archetypally, yeah, it's the perceptive side. So that's more this side where you say yes towards something. Huh? They would also say sympathy. Huh? Yes, yeah, that's this side. And the right side is more the hardening side. Yeah, where you say no, and I stand to it, and you can fight me, something like that, I stay for no. So I need these forces to persevere, to say, I go for it. Yeah? When you say yes, it's most of the time less difficult to, normally you don't have to fight for what you say yes to. People like your yes. And when you do sympathy, antipathy, it's something different, that we want to achieve something. And the right forces are more the top-down forces, the hardening ones. And they should learn to dive into this dreaming quality, to let go, or just to let things come into existence by just perceiving, by entering it, to let things happen. And the left energy, the receiving energy, the listening energy, that's the one we want to learn to be carried from. Yeah? So please, left column, I know you are working so hard. I'm really putting pain on you even a little bit. But just please, how can I do it that you really carry me? Yeah? So we try to soften the hardening forces, and we try to make the perceptive forces the carrying forces in us. That's how I would explain the difference between those two exercises.